Frustrated by the Media Library DLL error causing localized multimedia orchestration to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we get into the manual guide for Media Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Media Library, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume multimedia suites and legacy game launchers to house their primary audiovisual playback logic. It manages the localized codecs and playback buffers. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually requires a full reinstallation of the specific media app or repack to restore the localized manifests. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Media acts as a vital connection for localized multimedia orchestration operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Media Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Media Library DLL in your System32 folder. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Media Library. If Media Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.